This is the ORAP. I am Vanessa James. Here are the stories making headlines today. Senior Counsel Tamika Harris has been appointed by the Legal Aid Council of Jamaica to represent Clarendon quintuple murder accused Rushane Barnett when his case is mentioned in the Home Circuit Court on July 28. Barnett was advised of Harris's appointment by Justice Leighton Pusey by video Thursday when he appeared before the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court. According to Pusey, the severity of the case meant that a senior counsel had to be appointed for Barnett. The accused on Tuesday during his first hearing had advised the court that he was in the process of acquiring legal representation. The Supreme Court on Thursday morning ruled against residents of Hope Pastures in their long-running dispute with the Jamaica Public Service Company over the underground electricity distribution system in their community. The residents had filed a suit against JPS claiming that they are entitled to electricity exclusively by underground means. They had based their argument on the fact that an underground electricity system was installed in the community when it was built by private developers in the early 1960s, and therefore JPS could not change the system. However, JPS argued that the system was old and could not be properly maintained. Jamaican Canadian Alphonso Warren was sentenced to life imprisonment in the Home Circuit Court on Thursday for the murder of his wife nearly 7 years ago. Warren must serve 25 years before he is eligible for parole. The court, however, deducted from the sentence the 7 years Warren spent in custody before his sentencing. Warren was last month found guilty of the stabbing murder of wife Stephanie at the couple's home in Kingston on December 31, 2015. Stephanie was attacked during a domestic dispute. Trial Judge Justice Leighton Pusey stated that Warren's previous 4 convictions were taken into consideration in the sentencing, which included the death of a child of the couple. The police are warning the public that it is an offense to share videos depicting children involved in sexual acts. The warning comes as police say they have noted a video being circulated via social media of a teenage girl having sexual intercourse. The incident was reportedly streamed live via Instagram. Persons can be charged under the Cybercrimes and Sexual Offences Act for sharing the video. Meanwhile, the police are asking anyone with information that can assist investigators to establish an identity for the other woman and man that were seen in the video to contact Sisoka or Crime Stop at 311. Police investigators in New York have named a suspect in the killing of 3 Jamaicans whose decomposed bodies were found last Friday at their South Jamaica home in Queens. He has been identified as 29-year-old Travis Blake, who was allegedly dating one of the victims. The victims were identified by relatives as 55-year-old Carleen Barnett, her son Dervon Brightly, 35, and a family friend Rushane Brittany Malcolm, 22, who is believed to have been visiting. All 3 victims were found with multiple stab wounds inside the single-family house, police sources and media reports said. This has been the ORAP. Catch up with these and other stories on JamaicaObserver.com. I am Vanessa James.